متابعين الكرام، اسعد الله صباحكم. أنا اليوم في مقابلة مع أستاذ كارلو، المدير التنفيذي لشركة الكويتية للحديد. راح أتكلم معكم إنجليزي عشان عندي قناة على اليوتيوب بالإنجليزي. Hello everyone, today I have a meeting with Sir Carlo, the Executive Manager for International Kuwait for Steels. Good morning, Mr. Carlo.
Sir. Yes.
Nice to see you today, and
Thank
very
you.
pleasure to see you and all the members here. We want to let people know and understand what's the concept or idea for your factory here. What are you doing for people, or how to serve your customers? Can you show me real quick what's the concept for this factory?
Okay. The factory practically is do cutting and bending steel for the construction industry.
Okay.
And then why you do it here in the factory, first of all, we can use coil steels, and then there is no wastage. But in Kuwait, there is no coil. There is only bar. This is one thing, but here you can save wastage, thermosite, no double handling. Okay, this, that, and then the things have been done properly.
That's right.
Good design, good things, good bar bending schedule, shop drawing, and delivery to the site. Okay, we tag in the material, and then we practically is new technologies coming up. I was working in Dubai for 30 years. I did it 800.
So you were in Abu Dhabi before coming to Kuwait. He was in Dubai.
Correct.
Abu Dhabi, and he did many projects over there. You told me about
886 projects plus 3 metros. Metro in Dubai, I did it. Metro in Qatar, and then Metro Riyadh. I did
which
it.
is good. Nice, nice. See, people, Mr. Carlo, he has a big experience about steels, dealing with steels. So he's a succeeded guy. Okay, keep going. Now,
I spent half of my life cutting and bending steel.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This is factory number 9 I built up, okay, and then I built over 12 million tons of steel. That's a big, big
so
thing.
you serve many customers
many
around
people.
the world, between Kuwait and Abu Dhabi.
Middle East.
At the Middle East, exactly. And now, the steel here in Kuwait, your factory here in Kuwait also will develop himself.
The factory in Kuwait developed themselves, but they don't have coils. To make it coils, you have to make some investments, okay, and then to produce.
So you are dealing with the coils, steel coils.
Yeah, coil is very important for the machine alone. It will cut bend.
Straight steel. You didn't deal with steel.
No. We deal with straight steel here in Kuwait. For there is no 12-meter bar. But even there is coil, the machine it do everything by own.
Because the machine very fast.
It do cutting and bending only one people. Even not we have to do cutting the bar first. Okay, we have 2 people down there. Okay, and then the bar they have to go, and then you have to bending. After you have to loading everything. But the machine it does alone. The thing. Yeah, and then the bag you see on the movie, I give it to you.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much for that. Listen, people. This is a big factory, and the machine is very fast. The machine can't deal with the straight steel. They have to have a coil, which is a circle, put it in circle shape. So this will help him for 100 tons maybe, or 100 meters long. So that will be easier for a machine to make too much cutting in piece the steel. Okay.
Yeah, we do normal that we have a capacity of 300 tons per day, and then if there is coil, we can do with coils better. We save money, we save time, and even for the customer. Try imagine that sometimes you have bars at 10 meter. Then what do you do with 2 meter? Wastage.
Yeah, this is the big point.
The coil.
When the customer come to this factory. If you give him for example, for villa, which contains 3 floor and basement, it's around maybe 90 tons. When you drop it to this factory, he will give you exactly 90 tons without any wasting.
Correct.
That will give you a warranty for that.
Yeah, correct, bravo.
Which is good. And also, like, you can store it here free.
Yeah. We have at the store down there. We have a capacity of 10,000 tons of steel.
And
free.
good place against the weathering outside, which is sometimes in Kuwait raining, sometimes very hot, sometimes very humid. So here in Story will give you a good condition for steel and cover your steel.
And we are responsible for the steel. We have quality assurance, quality control. We have the storekeeper.
Okay.
Storekeeper is receiving the steel, and then after we sign the delivery note, issue the report weekly, monthly, to any time. Anyway.
So Mr. Carlo telling me this tag is very accurate and designed very well, and made by Italy. Made by Italy, and this tag you can, let me see this tag. So you will understand what I'm talking about. So I will see you this tag. This tag is very accurate. They are dealing with this tag. Comes from computer, and made from Italy. It comes from Italy.
And then you cannot break it.
And you can't break it. See, it's very hard. I can't cut it really, but I'm afraid to cut it maybe. But still not cutting. You can't cut it in piece, which is good. Thank you.
Practically, is the material is reaching on site, is reaching on safe. You receive it practically, and then you know where to go.
Yeah, and for each designing of stirrups or bar, it will have a tag. This tag shows or explains for you everything.
Yeah.
So we need someone to receive it outside, to receive it exactly, the numbers and the length and everything. So we have to deal with the man who will receive this quantity. Okay.
Yeah, we do everything, but as per the book. With British standard, we use it, and then everything is going to be there.
Oh, nice.
We have quality assurance, quality control. We have 2 people inside control the production first, and then loading the material after, and then we check everything.
Good. You finished now. Do you have any?
No, for me, I need only you come here and then you try once.
Okay, so now we're gonna ask him if someone. The owner for villa, he can come freely here and make deal with you. No problem.
Whatever. No problem at all. We are here to work.
Okay, good. Now the bad question from me.
Tell me.
What's the price for each ton?
Well, depends on the design. We do the design, and then the technical office come up here, and then they make it. We make it even the what you call an optimization plan, and then we're looking what is the wastage inside before to start cutting. We're looking, the barbending schedule we give into the production department, and then we have optimization plan call, and then they put it inside the computer, and then they told you we have this one. This is the wastage. And then after being to the wastage, we sold, and then but normal 22, 20, 21, 22, 23 dirhams, KD, and then from here we deliver to your site with this price. We have wastage inside, you have the wastage, and then you have the transportation. We give you free storage,
Free storage.
Then, yeah, correct.
And picking the steel from other company, are you dealing with that?
No.
The customer or the owner, or he has to bring it here?
No, he has to bring it here. Normally you go for the traders, or I don't know.
Pay money for them?
No, they pay down there, and then they send down there the steel.
And here will be free, from here to the company,
to the
owner's villa.
Correct.
It will be free.
Then we finish the project. If there is about 1 ton, 2 ton remain down there, or we can buy the steel to you, we can buy in cash, and then we keep it the steel. Or even not, you can take the steel and then you can sell it, no problem.
Okay. So it depends on the total amount.
Correct.
You can't say for each ton maybe 23 or
20, 22, 23. It depends.
It
on
depends,
the,
huh?
Depends on the wastage. Depends on the wastage. Depends on the diameter of the steel. You know, for the small steel, you have big work. Big steel, small work.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay.
For
Finally now, finally, what you gonna say with my customers and with my followers?
I say that if you try with this system, and then you can be free, and then
you will satisfy.
You will be satisfied on the end of the day.
And you will tell your customer, or you will tell your friends to deal with Mr. Carlo with this.
I built half of Dubai with these things, and then in Dubai was very people it was understanding much faster than Kuwait.
In Dubai,
yeah.
Because here they want to be on risk.
No, here you are on
fear of risk.
Here you feel a risk, but there in Dubai they told him no.
They don't matter.
No, Dubai they told him okay, why I have to get it things is difficult if I can get easy. For if you have to bend in the cutting and bending the steel on site, you need people to get down.
Yeah,
there,
we need too much people to cut the steels. But here in factory, just one machine do whatever you like.
You want, you're correct, bravo.
Good.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
I really enjoyed by talking with Mr. Carlo, the executive manager. Thank you. Thank you,
You're
Mr.
most
Carlo.
welcome, sir. You're most
nice
welcome.
to see you, and we will have too much customers in next future.
We have big room down there. You can come with all the customers.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're most welcome, sir.